like this, mash it.
Oh no no! See?
Looks perfect.
It's good?
Oh,
Are you
yeah.
gonna try? Pretty much like what the last time we had.
It's perfect.
Right?
Perfect.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Bingung channel. For today's video, it's gonna be super exciting and it's a bit different than what we normally do, because today we're not just eating but we're going behind the kitchen with our friend who? Abay! Yay! Well, I think you guys remember who is this guy. He's the one who really loves sambals. I think that some of you giving me a suggestion to invite Abay and then teach him how to make some art of sambal. And Abay was very excited apparently, so that's why he is here, a bit shy.
Because all cameras on me.
I know, exactly. Because normally like there's some other friends and Abay was like, okay, it's only me and her. I have to talk a lot so that I don't have to say anything. If you see in the Pechalele video, you saw like I made like a full bowl of sambal and then one person finished it, which is him. So today he requested me to make that sambal so that he can do it by himself at home. So that's why I decided to teach about 3 varieties of sambal. Yay! And if you see here, I have like 3. I think you can guess what kind of sambal I'm about to make. And this is the first one. Is this the sambal Pechalele Lamongan,
Which I love.
which is the one that he loves. And then the second one is gonna be like a green chili sambal. And then the third one is gonna be like a onion sambal. Some other ingredients gonna be added during the cooking process. So Abay, are you excited?
Yes, for this one, sure.
Well, that's the only one, to be fair, because that's the only one Abay already tried. The rest of it is not yet, so we'll see. And then the good thing is, after we cooking everything, we're gonna try with Indian meal that is prepared by Abay. And then we'll see which one we love the most. Sambal is prepared in many different ways. The classic one is that you prepare all the ingredients like this, and then you blend it, or you can use the mortar to just, like to, what did you call it as? To like this. Yes. And when it's like a paste and you put in a hot oil, you cook it, and then sometimes you can put like a lime leaves or the bay leaves, the whatever varieties you want. The basic ingredients is we have chili, garlic, and we have the onions.
Which
Yes.
is common in all 3.
And then when you put an extra ingredients or you like missing one ingredient, the sambal comes with a different name. And in different places they have their own sambal. But then the good thing about sambal, as you said, you can always do the creativity about that. You can make your own sambal. That's the one that I told you. You make a paste first and you cook it, or you can eat it also fresh. So raw, yeah. In Bali, for example, they have it. They call it sambal matah. Matah means raw. Basically, you just
Chop them.
chopping. I think you put like some limes or something and then let it sit and then you can eat it.
It's basically salsa.
Yeah, kind of like a salsa.
Because salsa is fresh, right?
That's
it's
true.
Not cooked as
Yeah, like a salsa, like a Bali salsa. And then this one, the Lamongan sambal, how I prepare it, you do it the other way around. So all the first ingredient, you fry it in a hot oil, and then when it's cooked, and then you take it out, and then you smush it. Or you use the blender. Indonesian prefer it with the mortar.
They like the stone thing?
Yes, I have it. You're gonna see it later. And then
We call
you
it
use
imam
that one.
dasta.
Imam?
Imam dasta? Like the stone thing?
Yes, I think pestle and mortar. I think they call it in English. Yeah, you use that one. It depends on like how texture you like. So if you like it really soft, like a paste, then you can just throw it in a blender. But if you want it to have it like a little bit like
chunky,
chunky, then you use that one, and then you can just adjust how well it is, right? The third option is like you boil it or you steam it first. Like this one, for example, you steam it first. After that, you kind of like find the word. And then after that, you fried it. We only use the vegetarian one, guys, because we know Abay is a vegetarian. Yeah.
Yeah, so what's this?
Yeah, this is the nuts that I explained before. This is the kemiri nuts.
No, I never tried it before though.
Yeah, so it's just kind of like giving like a nutty flavor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I'm not wrong, we are making 3 sambals.
3 sambals.
In 3 different style, because this one,
Exactly.
as you told me that you're gonna make first and then fry.
Exactly.
Over this one, we will fry first and then blend. And over here, we boil and then we steam.
Exactly.
Okay,
And
I'm
then press
excited.
and right and then fried it. Yeah, okay, let's try it. First one, Abai's favorite one, so sambal pecel lamongan. And I think, yay! Don't get yourself. Okay, and this one, you can just throw it in there.
All together?
Yes. It's not hot, right?
Oh, I guess this one is hot. No. It's just the
I get like a heart attack away.
and not like
Yeah, boom, and it's like out.
And then we wait for some time or we... I'm not hijacking your video, I'm just telling you. Because,
That I should
because
use
it's
this.
for it's for pancakes, right?
I'm taking it for the...
I think I should have cut it into more, small pieces.
Oh no, it's okay. That's
It's okay?
perfect like that, yeah.
It's medium, the gas.
You can't tell when it's done because it's gonna be spicy.
It's like we feel it when it's
Yeah, yeah, I smell it already.
What should I do with the oil?
Oh yeah, you can pour it a little bit inside.
Little bit?
Okay, okay,
More?
yeah.
Just a little bit.
Okay, stop.
Make your mind, lady.
Okay, but I put like already salt in there, and then
Okay.
we might gonna do a little bit pepper. And then this, the palm sugar or brown sugar.
Oh.
Okay, so it's good. About how much? What's it?
Done? Looks perfect.
It's good.
Okay.
You wanna try? Pretty much like what the last time we had,
It's perfect.
right?
Perfect.
So
It
here
will be 70-30 ratio.
or 90-10 because it's too spicy for him. Abai, this
Thank
is
you
your
so
first
much.
sambal, and we're gonna close the lid because Abai gonna bring it home. And the second one, I thought like we're gonna make a bawang sambal, but then we changed our mind. We're gonna make a sambal andaliman. Apparently, I found the andaliman. It's similar with Sichuan pepper. So when we bite it, it was really exactly like biting andaliman. Abai tried and he's so excited and he said, "Let's make this one." And so Abai gonna mix it. Go ahead, Abai. You can mix. And that is really soft. And if you know, guys, Abai loves to cook. Okay, good. And now we're gonna move here. We're gonna use choppers, guys. Abai.
Yeah.
Like that is good. And then we can close it and you can blend it. And this we're gonna add it later when we cook.
It's good. Take it up. It's okay. Like imagine we put the same ingredients but we haven't cooked it, so the smell is so different.
Yeah. No, it just gives the lemongrass smells. So maybe we can blend it again. I think we're doing a good job. I don't see it. Awesome, okay. So now,
More?
yeah, I don't feel anything.
No, you feel it.
How are we gonna feel it?
Maybe because
Only like what's missing.
salt.
Yeah, that's what
And what
And
about the
then-
zing? Zing is fine, I
The
guess.
thing is, yeah, I feel it already.
I find it like a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah, we need more lime though.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, it's done.
It's good. Dang it! It's so good. Sambal andaliman done. Delicious. Abe said it's very delicious. It's sour, spicy, and
Zingy.
and zingy. All good. First, so this one, Abe, we're gonna boil it first or like steam it. Put some water. Just there.
I just have to cut the tomatoes, right? The rest of the stuff is done.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this one. Garlic and then onions, green chili, and rawit.
And water, right?
Red chili and water under it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like this, mash it.
This one the videos you do like this.
Oh,
Not like this, you're gonna break it.
So should I cut the part? This part?
Mush, mush.
Okay.
Like that one. There we go. Turn them like this.
I like the texture of garlic already.
Yeah.
It's very mushy. I
Yeah.
like it.
This is the first time I'm doing it at, so
The green one?
yeah. Where's the tempeh? There's the tempeh. Okay, let me slice this tempeh. Cut it!
Oh, sorry. I'm not the baby.
Im Geschirrspüler glaube ich schon fertig.
Sorry, I'm just gonna grab something. So we're done with the making the chili one. This is the one, and then this is the second one, and this is the third one. So now it's time to try them. Let's see how it tastes. So guys, we just finished making the sambal. So as you see here, we put some on the plate.
It looks so good. But
Yeah.
this is only two. We made three, you know?
Yeah, we made 3, and then the 2 one we're gonna try for the appetizer, and then the main course we're gonna eat the green chili sambal one. And this is the one that the favorite from Akash. Well, everyone's. But especially Abay's. This one is the sambal pecel Lamongan, and this one is
The
because
zingy
the zingy sambal or andaliman sambal.
Sambal andalima.
Yeah, so it's gonna give like a zzz in your mouth. We're gonna eat it with this one. Ta-da! This is made by Abay, so it's a
so
wrap. Ini vegetarian ya teman-teman, so it's
It
vegetarian.
looks like sausage in there.
Oh yeah, it's a soya sausage.
mushrooms and some cottage cheese and some spices.
Oh,
Wow.
sounds so
Okay.
good.
The
Okay.
Indian one.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's try. Do this together. Can't wait. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Here you go.
Oh, that smells so good. Abay and the sambal. It takes like a lot of effort to make this, guys, so it has to be delicious. All right,
Enjoy.
enjoy. It's like mixed to culture.
This is so good.
Indian spices with Indonesian sambal. So delicious.
But the sausage almost tastes like meat actually, or like the texture is like meat
Yeah.
almost.
Yeah,
It's like soya, which I roasted it in oven, and then I added some garlic, some Indian spices, and usually we don't put cheese, but I love cheese, so I put some cheese as
Yeah,
well.
I can see a lot of cheese. That's good.
I love it. I love cheese. This is so delicious. And surprisingly, it really goes good with the sambal. Is it good with the sambal? Yeah.
To be honest, I haven't even tried this one. I'm still having it.
He's still doing like his favorite one.
So which one is your favorite? The kind of creamy one?
The creamy one.
Yeah.
This is my first time tasting it. I finished most of my stuff. I just realized we have 2 sambals.
Ooh, the sambal is spicy. The wrap is not spicy at all, right?
You know those spices, the Indian spices, which
Yeah,
I
yeah.
but I haven't did any of the red chili.
Yeah.
So when the spice is coming from this
Then
one.
it's from the sambal.
Yeah.
I really like the sambar, but I don't know, because of some reason this is my still my favorite one.
You just love it. This one. I have to drink like a liter of water, milk after this. Because this is a base level of spiciness, which is spicy.
It's really, really good. I'm like, I think a fan of everything that is in there. Like I love mushrooms. I love pepper, so I also like to have like big peppercorns actually.
Yeah.
And I'm really surprised by like this vegetarian sausage kind of thing. It's really good. And the whole thing is filled up with cheese. So that's
Exactly, that's what as well.
I'm happy you like it.
But the sambal is really spicy. I don't know, I think one is more spicy than the other. I think it's
This one
actually
is
this
more,
one.
Yeah, this one is more spicy.
I think it's because of the peppercorn.
No, it's not because of peppercorn. We added less tomatoes in this one, right? Maybe that's why.
Oh yeah.
I'll make this one. To give it a twist, I can add those lemongrass because I really like the aroma of it.
And it's become an Abai new recipe.
It's that lemongrass.
I'm pretty sure like any sambal combination already exists. So if you take one and you add one of your own ingredients, yes, this is my own sambal. It's like, this is the sambal from this.
It's already there. It's so good. It's like a delicious appetizer. Thanks. Abai made it really, really good. And it goes really well with Indonesian sambal. Okay, that's it guys. Abai, so what do you say about the experience making sambal by yourself?
I really like the process and now I know like how to make it. I will eat less so that everyone can enjoy it. It takes so much time.
Now you know.
So I have my small portion.
I was feeling happy when you like the whole bowl, you just eat it. I was like, oh, he likes it.
It was
Because
like 2 hours. It's like he ate like in a minute. And then he said afterwards, yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
No, I said I love it.
now Abai know how hard it is to prepare food in Indonesian kitchen. So like even for the summer it takes forever.
But it pays off, right? It was really, really good.
Yeah,
It was
it's really
delicious.
good. Okay, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. And don't forget to
Like,
subscribe, and follow.
Alright, thank you very much.